How many sound effects are in this scene of Johnny Test?
Go on, mister. You have a lot of work to do.
Why am I wearing this? Ugh. Your report card? What do we have to work on this time?
Comment section, paragraph 5.
Johnny needs to learn to be more helpful to others without asking anything in return.
And nobody helps people like Johnny X. Now I'm gonna help Super Dookie learn how to catch a Whizbee.
Ow! I don't want to learn. Help someone else, will ya?
Johnny, help! We need you to test an attraction potion that will attract Kill next door.
No. Okay, fine. I'll help.
Potion attracts flies, not boys. Now, what can we do for you, Johnny?